Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model GBX-100NS-1ER. Let's get started. The case width is 46 mm, and the watch weighs 66 grams. The bracelet is made of resin, and the case is a combination of resin and stainless steel. It has a water resistance of 200 meters, and the battery lasts up to 2 years. The Casio G-Shock GBX is a rugged and stylish watch designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With its durable construction and shock-resistant features, it can withstand tough conditions. The watch offers various functions, including a training functions, phone connectivity, world time, moon date, tide graph, sunrise, sunset time display, stopwatch, timer, alarm, light, and a calendar. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.